today is October 9th, Thursday. So today's forecast is about 5 feet swell, 12 seconds, and wind should be about maybe 5 to 8 miles per hour, which I think is a reasonable condition. It's not going to be like a Pacific Lake, but doable. Very doable condition. And I know we got some bad weather coming in starting late this afternoon, so I'm trying to make a trip before the storm comes in. So hopefully I get some rockfish and maybe 1 or 2 ling, and just have a good day of fishing out here. It's 7:30 a.m. but it's still dark out here. I think we got heavy cloud cover, and today I plan to head north. Went down south last Monday, unless the swell is moving fast in one direction that I don't want to go. Okay, now I'm going to try to catch some bait, sand dab, before I move to the rockfish ground. I don't need that many, maybe 2-3 will be plenty. First draw fish on, probably rockfish, nothing big. Hopefully it's black. Yeah, nice black. Fish on. Another black or ling, maybe ling. Canary. This is a good size canary. 20 some inches. Maybe something decent. This black blue ling. Oh, canary. Okay, I got the canary. Oh, something big. Fish on. ling. Close 30 inches. Good, decent sized ling. Nice blue ling. Nice size ling, about 30 inches. Got my bait back. Fish on. Small. Doesn't feel big at all. Small ling maybe. Reeling very gently. See what do I have. Kind of funny. Is this fish or just bait, foul bait? Gee. There's a fish, but small ling. Let it go. Something big. Something decent. Could be decent size ling. Maybe I'll get the limit of ling and go for rockfish. That's my plan is. It's a good battle. Let me see. What do I have? Okay, done with it. Here's the second ling, probably about 29 inches. Oh, another ling. Dang, this is a decent size ling. It's a ling or? Yeah, definitely a ling. You're lucky day. Mr. Ling, probably about 23, 24 inches. Under. Okay, let me see. At least get your picture. There's your keeper size ling, but I'll look at my limit. Thank you. Small rockfish. Oh no. It's a nice worm. There's a nice looking worm. I was looking for one, and I finally got one.